There has been a massive evacuation in Canada. In Fort McMurray, over 80,000 people evacuated because of this massive wildfire that has spun out of control. As you can see here, it looks like Armageddon, hell on earth here, as this fire had jumped a road and just got out of control, with many people describing this as being very apocalyptic. I mean, look at the shot here. Cars driving through this. They're saying that in the Beacon Hill neighborhood, 80% of the homes have been completely destroyed. Here is another look. And I will leave a link in the description box so you guys can check out more images. I'll continue to update, but this is just a massive fire that's causing a lot of destruction in Canada. Until next time, this has been Dabu7.